Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to schedule recurring reports in Google Data Studio, which is currently called Google Looker Studio. So to schedule recurring reports in it, let's find it out in this video. So first of all, you need to simply download the Looker Studio app on your device. Simply open it and get started. So once you get access to your Looker account, you can schedule a recurring email delivery. You must be the report owner or have Studio Editor access to schedule email deliveries. You need to view your report, access the scheduling menu, add recipients, and customize your email. And you can also select pages and set the reoccurrence. You can also apply optional filters from the help of the Filters tab. After this, you need to save the schedule. Review your settings and click the schedule button to confirm. You have some limitations and advanced options as well in this Looker Studio, like standard and pro versions. You have some time zone limits, and you can edit or delete an existing schedule when navigating to the schedule delivery option on your report. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.